Hi, hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to select an alternate faces in Autodesk Maya. Okay, so let me take some sphere. Okay, so I got a sphere here. I'll just move it up. So you can see there's a lots of subdivision. So and there's a lots of faces, right? So if I go to the face option, if I double click on the face, it will select the entire faces, right? So if I want to select the in a loop of a faces, select the one face, then beside of this next face, I'll hold shift and I'll click the double click on that face. So it will select in a loop. But how to select an alternative faces in Maya? So it's bit complicated. Like if you have to select each individual faces in an alternative way, right? So instead of wasting time on this, what you can do is first select a loop like this. Then I have a Python script over here. You can see this is my Python script. So I'll just copy the Python script. So now you will be having a doubt where to paste this Python script, right? So you can see here, in the bottom you can see MEL script, or if you click on this Python, right? So you can change it, make it change it over here. So what you can do is you can bring this out, this command line. We call it this as a command line. Okay, so right now it is in a Python, right? So you can also click this icon. So if you click this icon, it will open another window, something like this. Okay, you can make it larger one like this. So you can make it larger. So right now this is a Python script. Okay, you can also change it for MEL or a Python. So now the one which we copied from here, just copy this. Before pasting, select a loop first. Select a loop, then come to this Python script editor, press Ctrl V to paste your script. Then you have to run this program. Just click on this play button to run the program. So now you can see alternative faces have been selected. Now if you want to select in another way, in another row, so again let me select here, hold shift, then double click on this, then paste your Python script, then click on run. Okay, so again it's so already it was selected in alternative. So again it took another alternate faces. Okay, so the use of this is I'll select the alternative again, paste the Python script and click the run. Now I'll press Ctrl E to extrude. Now you can see, right? So it's an easy way to work with the alternative faces, or to select the alternative faces. Not only the faces, so you can also select the edges. For example, go to the edge, select this edge and double click, hold shift and double click, it will select it in a loop. Paste the Python script and run the program. So it will select it, you can see here, right? Now again I'll press Ctrl E and I'll just move this, you can see here, right? All this kind of stuff you can do it here. Not just only the you can also select the vertices. Select this and select this, it was selected, you can see here, right? Again same way, Ctrl V to paste the script and play this. So you can see now, right? Alternative faces has been selected. So this can be applied for any mesh, not only the sphere. Let me take this time cylinder. So right now I took the cylinder. Now let me add some subdivision from the channel box. Go to the cylinder, let me add around, okay, this is good. And subdivision in the height, let me add some more. Okay, this is fine. Now I'll go to the face, let me select this and this, paste the Python script and run the program. So you can see, right? Ctrl E if you want to extrude, or extrude inside or outside, that's your wish. Okay, so understood, no? So it's a easy way to select alternative faces in Maya using the Python script. So this script can be found out in the description, right? So you can use it for your professional personal use. Okay, so that's it in this video. So let's meet in another video. Thank you, bye bye.